Hey y'all, welcome to our local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. I have my hunk of burning love with me, and we are going to make something really easy and fun. It's called Big Mac Casserole. And you're going to start off with browning some meat, hamburger meat here. And I have my oven set to 350 degrees.
Smells McDelicious.
McDelicious.
You like
Right.
McDonald's, don't you?
No,
What's your favorite place?
it is not. My car does not stop at McDonald's. If you have a potato that you want to cut up and fry, then you can use just a regular potato, but I have these hash browns. They're the cubed potatoes, the southern style, so we're going to use those. So we're just going to put those into our meat, and we have about a pound of hamburger meat here, and I'm just going to put,
Good stuff.
I'm going to put just about half of that bag in there. And then just save the rest for something else or for the next time you want to make this. And I've already salt and peppered this meat and got it seasoned really good. Shred up some cheddar cheese, mild cheddar, or you can use sharp cheddar, whatever you'd like. But I'm going to use my little shredder that I got off a TikTok shop. Just give it a...
Now, I think, it's just my opinion, but I think hand shredded cheese is the best shredded cheese.
So much better, yes. Yes, it is.
Even though it's easier to buy it pre-shredded, Janice.
Let me just go ahead and...
Janice said that we were too slow and we're not to the point, so.
Oh, Janice?
I'll hurry up for you, Janice.
Babe, you need to let stuff go.
I know, I'm just kidding.
All right, so I put a little water on that underneath there so that maybe it'll help stick to the counter. All right, there we go. All right, whoopsie.
We need to get a bowl with a little thing cut out. Oh, somebody said put it on a plate or platter or something.
Oh, okay.
Or I'll just do this.
Yeah, there you go. Anyway, we're going to get this shredded up. Going to get this shredded up because it's going to go on top.
That is the best.
It's going to go into the oven. See, it's just going everywhere. It usually,
Well, this countertop.
my countertop doesn't let it stick very good, but...
It's too porous because it's butcher block.
Sorry.
3.
I know. That
Keep
looks,
going. There's a little more in there.
Okay. That looks good.
That looks good. This,
All right.
this smells delicious. Will you throw some season? No, we're going to season it later.
I've got salt and pepper in there.
I just need to quit stirring it, leave it alone, let it do its thing.
Yeah. So you're just going to cook this up until your potatoes are kind of soft, and then we're going to pop it into the oven, all right?
Give me turn this up to turbo mode or
Turn it up, turbo mode. Maybe a little more.
251. Let's go for 300. Can I get 300? Can I get 3 1/4?
So while our stuff is cooking here and the potatoes are getting soft, I just wanted to say thank you to a few people. These are some people who came in this week, and gosh, I had such a good time visiting with everybody. We had Karen from Rigault, Louisiana. Such a sweet little lady. She had the cutest little leopard sweater on. It was so soft. I couldn't stop feeling of her little
Maybe
sweater.
I need to get one.
And then we had 2 couples come from Texas, Amy and Mike, and Teresa and Brad. They were such a pleasure to visit with. Angie from Elk City, from Oklahoma, one of our Oklahoma girls, she came in with her family, and I loved visiting with you, Angie. You were so sweet. That fly is driving me crazy. We've been trying to kill this fly, and it won't go away. Anyway, I ended up giving Angie one of our Shut the Box.
The game.
They're so fun.
Yeah,
Our
they
Shut
are
the
fun.
Box games. We love those. And so I just know she has a little piece of local flavor at her house now. Okay, and then Diane Gregory from Kansas, she had a little pair of overalls on, and she was so cute, so she fit right in with us. I love overalls. I have overalls in every color, print, you name it, I have them.
And I have them in blue.
I love overalls. So we were kindred spirits when we met. I loved her. And Lane Boulware from Nacogdoches, Texas. Did you know Nacogdoches, Texas is the oldest city in Texas? The oldest town.
Wow.
Oldest town in Texas. And Lane, you were precious. And we got a picture together. Of course, I'm holding a broom and a rag. She wanted a picture, and I had a broom and a rag in my hand. So, but we got a sweet little picture with her. And Shelly Lewis from Oklahoma bought some raffle tickets from us. She was here 2 times. She came two days in a row.
Can't get enough. That's awesome.
Pam Voss, of course, they're from Oklahoma, and she sent me pictures of her little grandkids. I think they were greats or grands on our little tractor out front, Ronnie's little tractor.
Oh.
So we bought Ronnie this little tractor, but she don't have anything to do with it. So we decided to use it as a decoration here in our flower bed. And then I've got Lori McIntyre from Paris, Texas, and Tanya and Jack from Polo, Missouri.
Polo, Missouri.
Remember them?
Yes.
Yeah. They were
Great
celebrating
people.
their 7th anniversary. We got to visit with them for a little while. That was so fun. And David and Judy Lawrence, they come all the time. They're from Kansas City. They came a few weeks ago to bring me a little to-go travel bag because they saw where we got stuck at the airport and lost all of our luggage. So she brought me that for my next trip. And then they drove all the way here yesterday to buy some gift certificates from us for our fundraiser. And I really appreciate everybody who has been coming and buying gift certificates and raffle tickets. It means so much that you guys are helping us out with that. Terry and Jeffrey from Kentucky enjoyed visiting with you guys. Kathy Williams from Coweta, Oklahoma, and her whole family. They were celebrating their 42nd wedding anniversary, and they came in to see us. Of course, the Loves, Tom and Miriam, they live here in Branson, came in and bought a bunch of gift certificates from us, and they always support us, and we love you, Tom and Miriam. They are some of our biggest supporters. And Susan, Megan, Jana, and Melanie from Spiro, Oklahoma, loved visiting with you guys. So a lot of people have been asking about our raffle. Maybe we better stir this up. That sounds great. Oh yeah, that looks good. I think that's just about right. Let me get this out of the way.
That looks good enough to eat just right there like it is.
I know,
Meat,
right?
potatoes, I'm telling you.
All right, so now we're going to just put this into a pan, and then we're going to put it into a 350-degree oven after we put our cheese on top. Yeah. We're going to put our cheese on top. We're just going to bake this in the oven for how long?
I'd say about
15 to
20 minutes.
Sounds good. Okay, this is going to go.
Yes.
Yeah, you did good. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven 15 to 20 minutes until our cheese is nice and melted.
Is that what your grandma used to do?
Yeah.
Get all the air bubbles out?
All right, into the oven now. That's for a cake. Air bubbles are out of the cake. I want to tell you about our raffle because we've had a lot of people who are just hearing about the raffle. And I just want to tell you, you can give this a screenshot. This kind of tells a little bit about it, but there's so much more to the raffle. So not only do we have one vacation to give away, we have four vacations to give away. And you buy a raffle ticket for $100 and you get a 3-night, 4-day stay here in Branson at a beautiful condo that several of our friends have donated. We've had 4 wonderful friends donate their condos for use for this vacation. Not only will you get that, you will get Top of the Rock golf cart tickets for 4. There's Wonderworks tickets, Titanic tickets, old time photo tickets,
Clay Cooper
tickets,
the best show,
Presley's tickets, one of the top shows here in town.
Upside Wonderworks.
Didn't I say Wonderworks?
Okay.
I think I said Wonderworks. Did I not say Wonderworks?
I don't know. Maybe you did.
Wonderworks, yes, but several of our favorite restaurants.
Sounds like more if you keep repeating.
Oh, okay. And several of our friends have donated to their restaurants. So we have Hidden Pines, Steamy Joe's, Lake Time Bistro,
Oh, yes.
Midtown Cafe. We also, some of our staff have went together and bought tickets for other restaurants around town. It's going to be quite a vacation. I mean, all you're spending is $100, and it's a chance to win 4. You have 4 chances to win. We're going to draw on December the 24th, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. The reason why we're doing this is because we have been leasing this building for 4.5 years now from the most wonderful people ever. They have been so wonderful to us, but the time has come that they really need to get this building sold. And
we have the opportunity to buy it.
and
We just need a little help.
We just need a little help because all of the money that we have done so far has just went directly right back into this building. We had a triple net lease. If you don't know what that is, you're responsible for everything. You're responsible for all of the repairs on the building, the taxes, everything. And so all of our money has went straight back into this building, which our landlords have been absolutely wonderful to us.
People.
Couldn't have asked for better people to help us with this, to get us started. This is our 5th season right now. We're finally into our 5th season where we're starting to see that this is going to work, that everything
It's
is
getting better.
coming
We had
together.
a record day.
We did.
Yesterday.
We had a record day.
Day before yesterday.
Yeah, it's been absolutely wonderful, and we just need a little help trying to get this building purchased. And this is hard for us to ask, but we have to ask. And we just thought if all of our followers would either buy gift certificates or a chance to win a vacation, one of these raffle tickets, we would be able to purchase the building. And we are so excited to get that done. We're just gonna swallow our pride, and we're gonna ask for some help.
And this has grown from 1 to 4.
Yes.
And I have a feeling it's going to keep going.
Well,
And whoever
everybody
wins,
here in this town,
all
in
they have to do
Branson-
is just get to Branson, and it's going to be and it'll be whenever they want, right?
Yeah. Next season, we're going to draw on the 24th of December, and then you have from March until December 31st to plan your vacation. And it's going to be a wonderful vacation, and of course, local flavor food vouchers.
Oh, yeah.
As well.
Definitely.
We're going to have those, but it's going to be a wonderful vacation. And I couldn't have asked. We live in this. Well, I do. I live here, and for those of you who don't know, Greg does not live here. He lives in Oklahoma, and we see each other on the weekends.
And we're married.
Are
Just going to
married.
tell people, ask us. We are legally married.
Yes, we are legally married, and well, that's just how we live right now because it's a sacrifice. I have to stay here and be away from everybody. We've sacrificed this 5 years. It's been a big sacrifice.
But it's been a blessing. It's been incredible.
And we've loved every minute of it. I absolutely love what I do here, and I just wanted to say that this is going to be a great vacation for somebody, and we really appreciate everybody who has come and helped us.
Oh.
I'm sorry, you guys have been so wonderful. Just like David and Judy, they drove down here specifically to buy those tickets. And I've had so many people call and say, hey, I want this many tickets, and I'll pick them up when I get there. Everybody has been absolutely wonderful. Our hometown people from Haskell, Oklahoma, helped us get here the first time by doing something like this. Mm-hmm. And I think this is going to work. I feel like this is an idea that the Lord has gave us to do, and that's what we're going to do now. So anyway, back to the Big Mac Casserole.
Yes.
But thank you. We appreciate everybody. So if you want to know how to do that, contact us. You can call us here at the restaurant, or you can just message us on Facebook, and we will get everything to you. We've been mailing out gift certificates every day. I've had people mail checks in to me, and then I just mail them right back out, mail your tickets right back out to you, or send me your address. If you don't know how to Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, any of that high-tech stuff, we can do it the old-fashioned way, right?
Yeah, there are some people who still write checks.
Yes, and we've had several people. Thank you guys so much. All right, so we're going to check on our casserole, and we're going to get that finished up. Just wanted to let y'all know how to do this.
Are we going to have a live
I think so.
Can we get one of those fancy squirrel cages that you crank?
I think we should do that, yes.
Have Ronnie draw the ticket?
I think that would be great. Okay, now we're going to make a sauce that goes on top of the casserole. So you're going to need a half a cup of mayo. And now we're going to do, 1 teaspoon of mustard. So I'm just going to squeeze that in. That looks about right. About a teaspoon of mustard. You're going to do 2 tablespoons of relish. That's not 2 tablespoons. There, that's more like it. All right, you're going to do a little bit of paprika, about a teaspoon of paprika. And then you're going to do, I'm going to use this, which is the blend, Kinder's the blend, which is salt and pepper and garlic. We're going to just use that. You can just go ahead and put a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of garlic if you have it. If not, we're just going to do this.
Put whatever you want in there.
Yeah.
Marsha. Just kidding.
All right. Now we're gonna do about a teaspoon of vinegar. I don't have white vinegar, which it calls for, but I do have apple cider. So we're just gonna do about a splash of that. Yeah, there we go.
All right. Ooh.
That looks so good. Doesn't that look good? All right, now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna drizzle this right over the top.
Do you have a pampered chef drizzler?
I don't have a drizzler, but you're my drizzler. There you go.
You want it all?
I think so. I think you should do it all. All right, let me grab a plate. All right, now you can do this however you want to do it. If you want to put your condiments over to the side, not condiments, toppings.
Toppings?
If you want to put your toppings over to the side, you can, because not everybody likes different things. So I just had lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickle. So if you want to put that over to the side, and then, but if you want to go ahead and put it on, if you have people who like all of it, that would be great too. So we're just going to dish
You
this
can
out.
put that on a hamburger bun and eat it.
This is how I would like mine. So I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce, some tomato, some onion, and some pickle. Whoops.
And you can chop. I want mine.
And you can chop your pickles up.
A few onions, a little bit of lettuce. Are these dill pickles?
Yes.
Perfect.
And if you want to chop your pickles up, then you can do that too. There you
Look
go.
at that.
That looks great. Let me show you how great mine looks. Oh yes, that looks fantastic. So here we go. Big Mac Casserole.
Oh.
Still steaming hot.
I'm loving it. That's good. That's hot.
Yeah, that's good. An easy supper idea. Oh my gosh, the kids will love it. Yeah, that's really good, isn't it?
That's cheaper than taking your family aboard McDonald's.
That's for sure. Oh yeah.
And better.
Oh my gosh, that is so good and so easy. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Good idea.
That is a happy meal.
He came up with, or he showed it to me.
Found on Craigslist.
He found the recipe. So good.
Yeah. Get your McButt in the kitchen and make this. That's gonna make some good McLeftovers.
McLeftovers, yes, that will be great. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you so much. Come and see us here. My mouth is full.
Our stomach's gonna be full. When we
Come and see us here at
sit
Local
here.
Flavor in Branson, Missouri. We would love to have you. We'll see you next time. Thank you.
Ask for this. It'll be on the
No, it will
special
not.
next week.
It will not be.
No, it won't be.